Hello everyone, today I'm starting in my new workshop and it will be a first project with bandsaw. It will be a blade, simple blade. For this I will use this piece of wood. I don't know what is this, it was a very big plate, maybe 15 inches diameter, and I will try to make a plate with it, and I will use a beech wood. From this piece I will make a veneer. I have marked the wavy shape here and I will cut this on the bandsaw to two cuts. There will be two cuts, and inside every piece I will insert a veneer from the beech wood. I will need two veneers from it. I will try to cut it. We will see how it will be working. Is it possible? Okay, let's go to the bandsaw and start cutting. Okay, I'm back with a ready plate, ready blank. The veneer is glued, all pieces are glued together. I have a little gaps between the boards and the veneer, and I'm little afraid it can fly away, but it will be only for a new workshop. But I would like to it not fly away and gives me lucky. Okay, now I will make a circle, find the center, make a circle, cut the circle on the bandsaw, make a glue chuck. At first I have to create some glue block for it, and I can start turning. Okay, wish me lucky with it. Okay, now I will make a tenon inside the mortise. I will create a mortise at first, then I will make a tenon, because when I will use a mortise, I am afraid that the platter will blow up, the jaws will push it the sides, and the plate will explode. So I decided to make a tenon at first. I will squeeze it a little, then I will remove the tenon on the end of the video. Okay, and the plate is sanded up to 400 and burned with chocolate shavings. Now I will finish it with shellac and the axe paste, abrasive paste, and restoring polishing paste. The wood is very smooth. Okay, the plate looks beautiful from this side. Now it's time to flip it over and turn the inside. Okay, I think it will be finished with shaping. The plate starts wobbling on the edges. Okay, I will sand it up the same and finish with the same way. Okay, and the plate is finished on the top, of course. Now it's time to remove the tenon. I have to figure out how to do it. For now I don't know. I will take a break for a coffee because my wife has came to see what I'm doing here. For now it looks very nice. I'm really happy with it. It's not fly away for now, and I hope so it will not fly away. Okay, I have used cold jaws. I don't know it's this a good idea for it, but it's keeping on the lowest speed, it's keeping good. I will remove it, then I will sand the bottom with hand. I will just want to remove the tenon. I hope it will be working as should be. Okay, I will leave it. I will not be risking the Phil Anderson's method to removing the tenon because I have it on the cold jaws. It's too risky. I will just take a chisel and cut off the bottom, sand it, and we will see soon. Okay, and here it is. This is my first project made in new workshop, and with of course a bandsaw from Robert. Without bandsaw I couldn't make this curved shape. It's not straight, but because I'm learning using with the bandsaw it's a little practice I need. Okay, but I will make a few shots after this video, on the end of this video. But now I would like to thanks to everyone who support me while I was replacing my shed to this workshop. It's a big step for me in the future. As you see, the lights from Robert are working very nice, very well. Everything was visible and much clear, and I have seen much more while turning. Okay, thank you once again for this big support. I hope you enjoyed this video and you will stay with me with my next projects. There will be some few crazy projects. I hope I have one project which I start there and I will finish here. You will see it's a big vase. It's a lot of work ahead of me with it, and it will take a few days. Okay, thanks a lot once again, and please join the shots from the first project from my new workshop. Okay, see you.